This video, we're going to cover just a couple problems from 12.3. Numbers 27 and 29 are the problems these are based off of. And we are going to simplify polynomials by combining like terms. So we already defined what terms are. Terms are the parts of the polynomial that are separated by the plus or minus signs. Like terms are going to have the same variables with the same exponent on them. So they're all going to be of the same degree. And they're going to be they're going to look exactly the same. So for instance, these are like terms because they both have just an x raised to the first power. I wouldn't, for instance, be able to add if this was 7x minus 16y, even though they're both first degree, the variables don't match. So I can't combine them unless the variables are the same and the exponents are the same. If I had terms that were, say, 3xy squared and then minus 5xy squared, even though there's multiple exponents here, this is fine. They're like terms because both terms have an x to the first and a y to the second that are being multiplied. The variable parts are exactly the same. So I'm able to factor out that greatest common factor here, which we haven't really talked about yet, but I'm just going to go ahead and do it this way to show you that this is the same as saying 7 minus 16 for my coefficient on the x as the common factor on the outside is a negative 11x. And then I have 15x to the third plus 7x to the third. They're all x to the third terms. And I have 15 plus 7 is 22x to the third. So I'm just adding or subtracting the coefficients when I have like terms, but I can't add apples and oranges. That's our expression, that I can't add things that are unlike terms. So I can add apples to apples, I can add oranges to oranges, but I can't add apples and oranges. That's the way that we talk about this with algebra, is that I have to have the same things to be able to combine my like terms with addition and subtraction. All right, that's it for this video. Next time we will come back and start talking about multiplication of monomials. Very similar to what we've already done with our rules of exponents. We're just going to make an application here towards polynomials, since we're going to be multiplying term by term, and each term is a monomial by itself. So we're going to just refresh on multiplying monomials before we go into multiplying polynomials. All right, see you for the next video.